Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, you guys, I actually did take a break last week from uploading. I was so sick, you guys. I had like a lot of upper respiratory stuff that was going on, the common sore throat, cold, earache, headache. I was a miserable wreck. But we are back better than ever. I am feeling great. I am feeling amazing. And let's get this party started. So, of course, you already know because I just can't ever officially start a YouTube video without just taking the time to thank everyone. Thank you for this just amazing YouTube journey. I am just so genuinely happy, you guys. Like, you honestly keep me going. The likes, the comments, you coming back for more. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Just know that your appreciation will never go unnoticed. But other than that, though, you guys, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video, which is going to be featuring another miniature Coach outlet haul. Okay, you guys. So, I mean, for obvious reasons, if you didn't pay attention to the thumbnail, you know my absolute obsession with the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag. And I promise you guys, this is going to be the last one in my collection, or at least that's what I'm saying right now. So, I did go ahead and bite the bullet, and I bought the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag and the black pebbled leather, and it did not disappoint. Now, I will say earlier this year, I did actually feature a black Coach outlet Laurel shoulder bag, but it had the signature embossed Coach C, like the Coach logo C. So, to my defense, I said, well, with that particular material, just because it is like a different design, let's just go ahead and do an all black pebbled leather Coach Laurel shoulder bag. And like I said, you guys, I mean, quality is always going to be top tier. 10 out of a 10. I mean, it is stunning. It's immaculate. I love the gold hardware. The structure of this bag is beautiful. Stunning, you guys. And I don't really plan on giving a tour of this bag because I featured several videos just talking about how amazing this Coach Laurel shoulder bag is. Definitely an everyday bag, in my opinion. I absolutely love it. And I will tell you, just from my experience, you guys, the pebbled leather of this bag, it slouches so beautifully, like over time, after having like carried this bag. Slouch is beautiful. And you can also see, like I said, you guys, I have a crazy obsession with the Coach Laurel shoulder bag, but I do have my red pebbled shoulder bag, the Laurel, and then we do have the infamous denim Coach Laurel shoulder bag. And I do want to show you the bag that I am currently carrying, which just so happens to be that Coach Laurel shoulder bag with the embossed signature C's. So hang on just a second, you guys. I just want to show you. Okay, so this is what I mean when I say I have a crazy obsession with the Coach Laurel shoulder bag. So yes, this is currently the bag that I am carrying right now. I absolutely love this stunning bag. Coach did not disappoint with this bag. This bag and then also this bag were two of those bags, honestly, that were just really, really, really difficult to get. And I wish Coach would just bring both of these designs back because honestly, I mean, you could do no wrong. I mean, there are several people that wanted to purchase both of these bags that were not able to purchase it. And I just feel like if Coach Outlet just made it right and just brought both of them back, I mean, it's a win. It's a win at the end of the day for Coach. It's a win at the end of the day for Coach's consumers. So yeah, you guys, like I said, my crazy obsession with the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag. So here they are, both side by side. We have my new addition, which is the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag in the black pebbled leather. And then we do have the one that I'm currently carrying still right now, which is that Coach quilted. Well, I don't want to say quilted because I don't think this is quilted material. I honestly don't even know what material this is, but it is that Coach signature embossed C Laurel shoulder bag. And I will say all of my Coach Laurel shoulder bags are in the size regular. Even though looking at both of these side by side, this one actually looks like it's a little bit larger than, or maybe not, you guys. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. But it seems like the one with the signature C's is a little bit larger. I'm sorry, this one is a little bit larger than the pebbled leather one. But either way, I love them both. I love them both. But yeah, you guys, love me the good Coach Laurel shoulder bag. Like I said, I would definitely rank it as being one of my favorite everyday bags. That one, and then also too over here in the corner, even though this video is not supposed to be about this handbag, but I have raved about the Coach long Rowan satchel. This and these, uh chef's kiss, you guys, as far as like that everyday shoulder bag, you guys. Absolutely love it. Okay, you guys, so there is one other item that I do want to show you. When I saw this item, I was like, yes, it has to be mine. And also, to a side note, I do want to mention that both of my purchases, they did actually come from the Coach Outlet website. So I will have the items both um, listed and linked below in my description box because as of right now, they are still currently in stock. But you guys, brace yourself for these. Three, two, one. These beautiful denim sandals by Coach. You guys, Coach Outlet, they did a phenomenal job with these denim slides. And you know, denim has definitely been trending a lot. Like, oh my gosh, it's been trending so much. I've always loved a good denim bag. Truthfully, I realized my denim bag collection actually started last year, and the only missing piece that I needed was a pair of denim shoes. But you guys, these are immaculate. I mean, look at the quality of these sandals. Now, I will say the hardware, it is silver, so it's not gold. Yeah, there it is, you guys. So it's not gold, but it is silver. And that's okay because I like mixing metals anyway. Silver, gold, you name it, I'm going to wear it if I like it. Fashion is whatever you want it to be. But yes, you guys, I can definitely see myself wearing these sandals a lot this summer. And like I said, they are still currently in stock. You better go ahead, grab you a pair before they are out of stock because truthfully, we know how it is like with Coach Outlet. Often at times, it's like they have like those pieces that seem to be kind of like a thing to where, you know, once it's gone and it may not come back. So that is why I am strongly advising you for like to go check it out. Go check it out. And a side note too to add, they do have these sandals available in the color black. Now I will say the black, it does have the gold hardware with the Coach. And they also have it in like that off white. I think it's like the chalk color. If I'm not mistaken, I do believe the chalk color also has gold hardware, but do not quote me on that. But all three colors are in stock. The denim, I was definitely gravitated to the denim because I do not own denim sandals. I do not even own denim shoes. I have always just been that type of person when it comes to shoes. I just like to keep it simple, but yet I also like to keep it neutral toned based. So this was definitely a step from out of my comfort zone, and I will say I am thoroughly impressed. It was definitely worth it. Oh, and prices also to you guys. The sandals were 119, but with tax, they were like 128. Now taxes are going to be a little bit different, of course that's dependent upon your state. So I got mine with tax included for 128. And then as far as the Coach Laurel Shoulder Bag, online retail price is 219, but with tax it was 238. So yes, you guys, I got two amazing, incredible options. I love them. And also, too, you guys, I know I'm jumping everywhere, but all these thoughts are just coming to me. So I just have to just give you the information as it just presents itself to me. So I do want to note I have tried these on. I haven't like worn them just yet because it is honestly still cold, you guys, and it's supposed to be spring. So it's still cold. So I actually haven't worn them outside, but I have worn them around like my home. I would definitely have to say, just upon my experience of wearing them around my home, breaking them in, they definitely appear to be true to size. So, I mean, I love it. I think, for those that may have wide feet, I feel like you could definitely make it work. I don't have wide feet. So, I was definitely able to make it work, but I do believe anyone that does have wide feet, give it a try. I do believe it could definitely work. Trust me, you will not regret it. But yes, you guys, that is actually going to conclude this week's video. But like I mentioned before earlier, as of today, both of these items still are currently in stock. And I will have both items also listed and linked below in my description box. Now, you already know when it comes to shoes, whether you have a small foot or maybe even a larger foot, sizes, they can sell out. They can sell out really, really, really fast. So that is why I am strongly encouraging you to go over to the Coach Outlet website and see if they have your size in stock. They also have them in 3 different colors. I like the denim pair because, like I mentioned to you earlier, I don't have anything that's denim. And then, I mean, for obvious reasons, you see the denim handbags in the background. We have the infamous denim Laurel shoulder bag. And I mean, the color match to that. Hang on just a second, you guys. I know I said that I was done with this video, but like I said, it was just another thought that came to me. I mean, look at how beautiful that could pair with each other. Like the Laurel shoulder bag and these sandals, I think it's the perfect shade of denim. Perfect shade of denim to go with this bag, you know? And I'm that type of person. I'm not afraid to mix and match brands. And what I mean by that is this one. This handbag that I have, I featured it earlier this year, but I actually purchased it last year. Tory Burch, the denim Fleming shoulder bag. It is a little bit on the smaller side, but please do not let the size fool you. This bag can carry so many things. And like I said, you guys, perfect shade of denim. I like to mix and match brands. Coach, Tory Burch, like I said earlier before, fashion is simply whatever you want it to be. Oh, hang on, you guys. Okay, last handbag, I promise. My Coach Raya 21 backpack. It was a backpack, but I turned it into a top handle. Once again, I mean the beautiful shades of blue denim. I mean, that's why I say these sandals are definitely going to be in my rotation. They are, you guys. They definitely are. But okay, you guys, now we are officially going to wrap up this week's video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I hope to see you again next week. I hope you enjoyed watching this week's video. And until next time, bye.